Hello, my name is Martunas Manalu. I'm from SMP Negeri 2 Tabaraja. First of all, I thank you very much for giving me the time to convey how to explain the discussion about how to use social media effectively for students. It is necessary to know that at this time the role of social media among students is very helpful in developing effective ways to complete all types of lessons needed to improve the quality of human resources. As one example, because social media plays a role in developing a subject such as on television, namely the teacher room, and so on, so that on this basis students throughout the archipelago can research subject and question from the answer without having to come all the way from the respective areas to the city, because in general only cities where schools are of higher quality than in rural areas. So for that, the role of social media is very much needed into the area. Therefore, students can be educated to be able to follow the progress of the time. To be able to access this expectation, it needs support from the community and the government as a provider of social media service, as the demand of to the area are required to be able to master social media, because every job, but private and state-owned companies, or have social media, such as computer. As far the advantages of social media today is being able to do work quickly, precisely, and accurately. For example, in data collection on the occupation of recipient of social assistance, if they still use the manual method, it can take up to 3 years to collect data that has not been complete. However, because it is done using social media, it is not that every region in Indonesia send the respective regional self data with the central government. So social media makes it very easy to carry out our work, and one of the advantages of social media is that it cannot manipulate data because the data that has been programmed of the program of the computer is already stored and cannot be lost. So for that, students throughout Indonesia must be able to master social media, but in lesson at school and outside school, along with the progress of the time. Today, students must be able to master the world of social media. For that, the world has no turned into a world social media. Every step that will be carried out cannot be spread from social media user, such as for transferring money already using social media, even to buy good. We don't need to bother. It is enough to contact the social media service provider. The good we ordered will be delivered directly to the recipient address. That's with students who don't master social media will not be able to compete for job in this age of social media. So many speeches from me, thank you. Mari menggunakan media sosial untuk hal-hal yang positif, seperti pada masa saat ini. Media sosial sangat bermanfaat bagi para siswa maupun siswi untuk mengakses pelajaran yang diberikan gurunya kepada muridnya. Sebab itu, mari menggunakan media sosial untuk hal-hal yang bermanfaat, terutama bagi para siswa pada saat masa pandemi sekarang. Terima kasih.